Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure both devices are ready. Charge your AirPods above 20% and leave the case lid open so they enter pairing mode. On your MacBook Pro, open System Settings and switch Bluetooth on. This lets the Mac scan for new devices. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi is enabled to allow iCloud handoff. This isn't required for manual pairing, but simplifies automatic connections later. Once done, keep both devices nearby. Now you'll pair actively. With the AirPods case open and near the Mac, look at the Bluetooth devices list. If the AirPods appear automatically, select their name and click Connect. This initiates the audio handshake. If they don't show, press and hold the Setup button on the case until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. Once you click Connect, the Mac exchanges keys and configures audio routing. Wait for the confirmation tone or message before moving on. Finish by confirming your AirPods are the Mac's active output and input. Go to System Settings right arrow sound and choose your AirPods for both output and input so audio and mic work correctly. Test playback and adjust volume. Make sure automatic ear detection is enabled if you want play/pause behavior. If something goes wrong, reboot the Mac and reset the AirPods by holding the case button until amber then white flashes, then repeat pairing. That reset clears stubborn connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.